My name is Don Houde. I'm from Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to present with you today. One of the biggest things I decided to attend the drone command live was that seeing the ads and then just watching the videos and kind of going forward, it just started to get an itch and a bug to be able to provide for my family and to operate a business. I've been doing drones for about 5 years, exclusively in the fire service. So it's been very rewarding for me, but definitely not profitable. I've donated hundreds of thousands of hours, it seems like, to the fire service and rescue and what have you in my lifetime. But it's very rewarding. But now I'm in a point where I need to make profit for my family. I want to leave a legacy behind. I want to make sure my business grows and I have an opportunity to provide that security for my family. And the more important thing, my wife is working at a job she does very well at, but I want to bring her in home and have her be a COO of my company, of our company that we're going to build together. And it's going to start right here with this program. So thank you so much. The biggest takeaways that I have seen is the positive results is the marketing strategies and the information that we're being provided as a whole, the workbook, the strategies, the thought processes that go behind, way above and beyond. You need to be forward thinking and intuitive, and you need to be open to change. Without change, nothing will ever come forward to anybody. So we got to be embracing change. So I think that's a fantastic opportunity that you guys are providing. One of the things about attending a virtual and help you with the online piece of that, transforming the experience. I love the online portion of it. I'm a firm believer of going into a classroom and have an instructor interaction, being right there. It's very beneficial to me personally. But with change comes with the virtual transformation, so to speak. And after COVID, all my training went online virtually. So I embraced that, and it's very, very easy to provide a service. And I can tell you right now, of all the virtual classes I've been on, this is by far surpasses any of the trainings that I've attended before. So fantastic experience. If you are on the fence about jumping into this program, please, please, please don't be on the fence anymore. Jump right into it. Make it. Just do whatever you can to get into the program. It is a fantastic, life-changing event, and I'm sure you guys, once you guys get into it in the first few hours, it's only been a few hours, so that we've been here. It's changed my life dramatically just by what I've learned so far. So don't hesitate. Please go ahead and do it. You will not regret it. The most valuable lessons I've learned that you'll be able to implement rapidly and get results is the implementations of the business and the vertical lines of operations and areas we can go to are pretty phenomenal. I look at the real estate side, the fire department side, and then the propane side. I'm heavily involved in the propane industry, a CTEP trainer for a couple of states and for my company. So this will be an opportunity where we can market and go after those businesses to do sightline plans and emergency response plans that's required. So I think it's a good niche for me to get into. But again, I got to crawl, walk, run, and we'll start with that real estate. Probably that's the easiest thing to get into. But if I could describe, kind of going through these questions, Damon Diego, I'll tell you, the most phenomenal speakers that I've seen in a very, very long time. And I've gone to a lot of conferences over, and I've spoken myself at conferences. They are phenomenal speakers because they not only have the experience and the knowledge of doing this for decades, they are passionate about what they do. They are phenomenal instructors. They are phenomenal speakers, and they're talking to people like they're real people. They're not looking just for a dollar. Yeah, when you look and sign up for the program, you just got to pay a little money. What are you going to get for your value? By far, the most value for what they're providing, unsurpassed. So they are fantastic, intelligent, and articulate people, and you couldn't ask for a better host of the program. So thank you so much for your time. Greatly appreciate it. Hey, good afternoon, Don Houde from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Thank you so much, man. I can't tell you how much this program is changed my life in the day and a half we've been here so far. Um, Extremely impressed. I can't emphasize enough, if you are absolutely on the fence about moving forward with this purchase, to get involved in this conference, you just got to make the choice to do it. It'll change you. Uh, First day in, just going through the process, listening, writing down a lot of notes, great information. Um, Second morning, I met with a person and closed a deal for a contract. I had no expectation that morning that I was going to even be able to speak to somebody about contracts or services. And I just changed the tactics of how I would speak with them in reference to moving forward in a safe manner, save them money. Never even talked about drones at all until after the transition of him looking at his phone, looking up at me, and having a one-on-one conversation. It was just fantastic. It brought everything together. So thank you very much. Great program. Can't emphasize this. Moving forward with other people, it's a great program, and you will greatly have the resources. The team is fantastic. Reaching out, just a great program. So